Ang nalala ko kanina pa tayong tanghalian walang kain. Tara, kain na tayo.
Ha? Ano kakainin? Wala nang pagkain dito.
May pagkain pa yata dyan eh. Tara, tignan natin.
Like a scientist. That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying. Playing. I drop lines like a scientist. I drop.
Uy, ayun no, may isa pa.
Ha? Eh, isa na lang yan eh.
Ay, oo nga pala. May assignment kami sa chemistry. Dapat ngayon mo lang sinabi. Kailan deadline? Ngayong Biyernes.
Anong gagawin mo?
Ano, gagawa kami ng product review. Ano bang magandang product gawin ko?
Si Canton?
Kasi isa na lang yan.
Ano yan? Labor Day ngayon eh. Wala na tayong mabibilhan.
Sino yun?
Diyos ko, tanghaling takat.
Ano ba yan?
Sino na makapatok at ilalagay yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ben, kakatulog ko lang. Grabe na naman ako. Puyat ako kagabi, naginom kami ng mga tropa ko diyang Genie. Sige, bibigyan kita ng isang kailingan.
Pwede po bang humiling ng pansit canton sa'yo?
Sige na. Tingin ka sa pinto. Nakakapagod kayo. Teka, parang namumukha ako to Ikaw, siya ba yung umiling ng pansit canton? Oo, siya yun. Bigay na natin. Ano, ilabas na ba natin to? Ilabas na natin to? Pansit canton ba ang hanap nyo? Tara na! Eto na! Mas masarap ang pansit canton ko. Extra big na. Stainless pa. Kaya may juicy pa ng kalamansi. Pag natikman mo, manghangasim ka. Masarap tong pansit canton ko. Masarap na. Malinamnam pa. Tasty me. Pansit canton.
Yan! Go!
Kesa naman sa pansit canton mo.
Yan!
Walang lasa.
Yan!
Lucky me. Mas sikat pa.
Yan! Tapos na na lang yan.
Teka, sino ba talagang masarap?
Uy! Uy!
Uy!
Uy! Tasty me!
Lucky me! Tara! At pag-aralan natin!
For the first noodles, we will put the 3 cups of water in a pot, open the stove, then after opening it, then we will add the noodles in and wait for 3 minutes till the water boils. Then while it's boiling, we can mix it, and when the timer is up, we can finally strain our noodles. After straining, of course, we will put it in a plate and put each seasonings in. Then mix.
QC girls fine, yoko muna ng iba QC girls gusto sarap buhay tangina QC girls katawan tatuan galing ghetto Uptown hanggang downtown QC Southside Filipino 3 stupid kahit basag na sige pa toma Bitches nakahawak sa bayag ko.
Next, for the next noodles, we will also add 3 cups of water in a pot, then put the noodles in and wait for 3 minutes till the water is boiled, then mix it. When the timer is up, we can already strain the noodles, put it in a plate, and put the seasonings in. Then mix. As for the last noodles, of course, we will also put 3 cups of water in a pot, put the noodles in and wait for it to boil for 3 minutes, then mix it well. When the timer is up, we can strain the noodles, of course. After straining, of course, we will put it in a plate and put the seasonings in. Then mix.
So in this review, we have the 5 criteria of testing. The first one is the noodle thickness. We need to make sure that every strand is consistent. The first one is, if the noodles are too thin, they break so easily. If it's too thick, they turn too chewy. So we use the ruler to measure it precise and compare it to the other canton that we have.
In this testing, we see that each pancit canton had the same thickness.
Now, let's move on to the second testing. In this testing, we will see each ingredients of Payless noodles. Its ingredients is wet flour, vinegar oil, salt, stabilizer, seasonings, sugar, flavor enhancer, soy sauce, spices, and artificial chicken flavor. We can also see that each brand has the same ingredients. And for the third testing, we will test each grams of pancit canton. It will determine each difference in terms of weight. The first one we use is Payless pancit canton.
We will first open the pancit canton, then put the noodles in the scale.
Put tiny crumbs on the scale for further more accuracy. As you can see, in the first one, we had 100 grams, and then we have our second brand is Tasty Me. Like in the first brand,
We will also gonna open the packaging of the pancit canton and put the noodles in the scale.
we need to put tiny crumbs of pancit canton in a scale. And the second one have 72 grams, and then we will repeat the same process in our third product.
Wherein we're gonna open the pancit canton and put the noodles in the scale and add the little crumbs for more accuracy.
And the last one have 71.2 grams.
The fourth one is the lifetime. So we have different kinds of expiration date when it comes to the food that we eat. But in this case, we're going to test each pancit canton to know which one go bad first. So based on our testing, the Tasty Me got mold first, then the second one is the Payless, then the third one is the Lucky Me.
Wait lang. Di ka. 1, 2. Wait lang.
Umayos ka. Ba't galing mo lang? Ay, nasa nakakaulit. Bakit pa ganyan?
Wait lang.
Hindi nakikita na nalabas siya dito.
Mahilo.
Then next.
Walang lasa. Itong lakay may pansit ka dito.
Pero tip.
Go.